What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add and delete artboards in your Adobe Illustrator application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In case you're unable to find this menu at the top of your document, then make sure to change your workspace to anything other than Essentials when clicking on this Switch Workspace icon. Next, use the shortcut Shift and O. This will open up your artboard settings up here. Change your artboard in this drop-down menu. You can also change the orientation from portrait to landscape, and lastly, add a new artboard when clicking on this plus icon. The trash can icon allows you to delete the selected artboard, and for more oversight, you can also rename each artboard to your liking. In your artboard options, you can change the presets when adding a new artboard to your document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.